What's up, guys? I'm Jonathan with IBARRA'S Food Trucks, and I'm here with Kanto. These guys did start by renting from me. They were renting for, I think, almost about a year. And finally, guys, this is the ultimate goal for them to purchase one. Like I said, you guys could either purchase your rental unit or get one custom built just like they did right here. I can't wait to show it to you guys. So come on over here. Let me walk you through it. We'll go step by step on what they did here compared to their rental one. All right, so one of the things that they did is they did the 180, okay? Also, one of my top favorites. They opened up the tongue side over here so you guys can see the chefs in from this side. So again, if you're at an event or you're somewhere where you have people walking from that side, when they walk to your trailer, you're gonna be able to see the inside. Also, if you come over here, we have the two double windows. Very inviting, very exciting. You can see the whole thing. You can see the whole operation. Everything's well set up. I'm gonna walk you guys inside in just a minute, but as you can see in the back, you have the two-door tall refrigerator where it's not blocking the front. Okay, you have the kitchen equipment in the back and then all the smaller equipment in the front. Look at this design. Beautiful wrap. Matched their last one, but instead of on their last one was more of a white look, this one's all black, which I absolutely love the black and white look. Come on over here, guys. Over here, they have a little service table. They have an order and a pickup. Over here, you can see their whole, mostly known for. So they have their coffee machine right here. You can see all the action. You can see what they're doing. And that's one of the cool things about these food trailers when they're fully open. You can see everything that's going on. Nothing hidden behind closed doors. Come on over here. Let me walk you guys inside. Right here, we have a little custom ice bin right here where it sits, okay? Then right over here, we have a rinser, a cup rinser. If we move over here, look how the flow goes on, okay? So pay attention to the flow. We have their coffee grinder, their coffee maker. Right underneath, they have a one-door under-counter refrigerator. Then they have a one-door prep table refrigerator. Okay, let me show you guys inside. Here's the one-door prep table refrigerator. Then we put a small little 10-inch table, steam table. And then right here, they have their order and pickup window. And then we put a splash guard right here to separate delivery from the steam table. Nice little table underneath for storage and POS system stuff. You have the 3-compartment sink and hand sink. Some storage underneath. You have the towel dispenser and the soap dispenser right next to the sink. This way it doesn't block anything. It flows evenly. Then we have the 2 extinguishers, the red and the K-class extinguishers, which are a must to pass all your codes. Then we have the big 2-door tall refrigerator. This is perfect for big events, guys. I'm very, very big on when you guys get a food trailer, go with the big 2-door tall refrigerator. It's a must. You absolutely need it, especially when you go to these 2-3 day events and you can't go back and forth on delivery and things like that. So guys, remember, a lot of refrigeration. Right here, we have a rice cooker. They wanted 2 shelves here. So here's where their condiments are going to go for their spices. These guys have amazing food. We got the 6-burner. Then we have a 48-inch flat top griddle. A nice big flat top, okay? Then we have the 2-basket fryer and then a 1-door tall freezer. We did end up swapping the doors so that they're not struggling from the outside. They're not opening it up this way. We flipped it over and now it's going to be opening this way. So that's the freezer right there. Now down here, we have the 4-door chef base. This is a big touch right here. This saves a lot of time from you having to run all the way to the big 2-door tall refrigerator, and the chef can just grab it from here and throw it on the flat top griddle. So this is a big, big, beautiful add-on right there. Let's see, what else, guys? What else? We have the stainless steel storages. So look at that. We have the entire thing over here. Everything covered up, everything locked in. This way, when they're driving, traveling really, really far, nothing's falling off from the top. Okay, so this is a big win. Look at this. This is a nice little touch. We have the fire suppression system, Buckeye, instead of doing the stainless steel with the plexiglass. That way, you can't miss it, okay? Other than that, we have everything tagged. We already tested the fire suppression system, already been health inspected. These guys are actually on the way to come pick up. So I'm really excited to show it to them. It's going to be big. These guys haven't seen their trailer here lately since they turned in their rental unit. As soon as they get here, we're going to do a walkthrough, show them how to operate the whole thing. Really, really excited to show you guys how people go from renting to purchasing. Our absolute #1 mission to get you guys started, get you to own your own business and make your dreams come true.